Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is at a crucial support level. Okay, and I've already mentioned in my previous video that 85.69 is a crucial support. Okay, so once the price comes close to this particular level, it can bounce back towards an upside. As you can see that at this level it has bounced towards an upside and made a high of around 87.39. okay, now currently trading at around $86.06. if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen that this particular range, a descending order, after cross this particular range, it made a high of around $93.64. okay, and after that we have seen there is a continuous downfall. So there is a high probability that what it is trying to make a opposite cup pattern forming. So probability is there. If the level goes below a level of 84, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, so before we move forward and explain you how the crude can move, if any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, there is a high chances of it, so it can touch a level of $84.07. okay, if it goes below a level of 85.69, which is a strong support. So if it goes below this level, we can see it can touch a level of $84.549. okay, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $82.75. okay, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 80.65. okay, once the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can go further downside towards a level of 76.44. 76.44 is a support which is already being tested and a weak support, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further low towards a level of $73.54. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then there is a high chances that we can see it can go towards a level of $69.33, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $65.44. Keep this in mind. 65.44 is again a support. From there we can see a bounce back. okay, so probability is there that if the price fall below, then we can see it can go further down. But as we know that the market is uncertain, and because of the volatility we have seen in the as we have seen that S&P 500 is moving upside, has moved around 1% upside, and Nasdaq has fallen. So probability is there. We can see there is quite a good volatility we can see in the price of energy stocks. okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $87.22 if the price sustain this level, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 3.38. okay, and once the price goes above that level, then there is high chances that it can touch a level of 93.54. okay, so once if it crosses this particular level, as we have seen that this level has not come since second week of August, so probability is very high. If the price goes above a level of 94, we can see it can move above that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of 97.48, and this level is already a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go towards $101.96, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $104.85, and if the price move above that level, then we can see it can go further upside, and we can see it can go further upside. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.